Oh, how did you escape? Okay, you're back in. I'm gonna go get some tea. I mean coffee, because I'm very thirsty. I don't have any coffee, I just got some tea. And I cannot teleport there. I'm gonna actually get out my Mega Neon dog because it's so much better. I love you, sugar. Okay. Now, where is that shop? Okay, here it is. Now, get some coffee. Mm, so good. I'll give you my tea. Hold on, I just gotta drink this. Ah, what happened? Okay, I'm gonna feed you now. Okay, let's go. Wait, what? That's probably not her. I'm gonna go to my house. What? Maybe she has a twin. I'm pretty sure she has a twin. She could not have escaped. Ugh, you need a shower. I gotta take her out. Ah, what is happening? Get out. Okay, I'm gonna pick you up. Wait, what? She's not in there? Oh, that could have been her. She escaped. Hmm. You stay in there. Take a shower. Okay, I'm gonna feed you, and then we're gonna go get her. I'm gonna dress up as someone else. I'm just going to put on these glasses and dress up like nobody saw. Okay, I'm gonna put that on too. Oh, this on. And the face is there. And then I need hair too. I'm gonna put this. Okay, now I'm gonna reset because something weird happening with my clothes. Okay, and then my skin tone got to be normal. Okay, here we go. And then not this. I gotta go. Okay, and then I'm gonna take out my dragon, but not Ghost Dragon. Name it Sugar. Okay, now we're just gonna go find her. Oh, I found her. Hello, little girl. Oh, my name is still scary. Gotta change it. Show my out. Okay, we're good. So, can I take you to my house? I'm pretty sure you need a shower. Oh yeah, you do need a shower. Let's go. Ah. Okay, we're gonna go. Hey, I think you need a family. I'm gonna invite you to my family. Come on. Okay, so we'll keep going. Okay. So let's go home. I think she doesn't know that I'm the ghost. Okay, let's go in. Okay. Okay, let's get you in the shower. Ha ha ha, I trapped you. I am the ghost. Ha ha ha. You must stand there until you die. I'm gonna get sugar, other sugar. Okay. Now I'm gonna watch. Ah! No, you got out! You escaped! I'm gonna pick you up. Yeah! Go to school. You will stay in school forever. Ugh. I actually decided that I'm gonna go in here and leave her in there. So now I'm going outside. And I'm leaving her forever. Okay, I guess I'm here. I'm gonna go see if I can adopt a baby. Oh, I think I see one. Hi Charlie, can I adopt you? Can I adopt you, please? Okay. Okay, so we're gonna play with Curious George. And oh no, you gotta get to school. Let's go. Okay. Narrator. And now she lives happily ever after.